I like meat pies and I cannot lie. Want to try them all before I die. And if I can't try them, well, I'll tell you what, guys, it'll probably make me cry. Which is why I'm coming to Foster's Bakery today. Now, I was told by one of my subs that they've got a really good meat pie. And I tell you what, when you sit outside Foster's Bakery, there is just streams of people going in. So I thought I'd go and try one of their meat pies today. Now, it's got a 4.7 Google star rating. How about I get one of their pies and give it the old Grego star rating? I do like my pies, so let's get one. I like meat pies and I cannot lie. Okay, well, here we go. The Foster's Bakery plain meat pie. This one, $4.70. Nice change, isn't it? Normally they're, what, $5-6? Anyway, let's suss it out. Cool. Yum, no. Alrighty. Okay, well, here it is. Ooh, look at that nice looking flaky pastry on top. Yum. Let's see if we can get in here and see if we can see some of the guts of it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at this gravy in here. Oh, and the smell coming off this is really nice. Look at this, well, the meat inside. It looks like, well, it looks like mince, but it looks like they almost pulverize the mince when they're cooking it. Because there's not many, like, big meaty chunks in there, is there? But like I said, mate, it smells so good. This pastry looks really light and flaky. Oh. And it is. Really light, really flaky. Although, not overly buttery. What about some of the guts of it? Okay, well, let me try some more, actually. Okay. Well, I thought it was going to be better than that. It's got a sort of a funny taste to it, I'm finding. It's got the meat pie flavour, but it doesn't taste like a really awesome meat pie. Well, so far at least. How about I just dive on in and take a bite? Oh yeah. If I can pick it up, that is. I'll have to take a bite straight from the container. Well, the flavour of this, I don't know. From what I heard, it was supposed to be really awesome, but I'm not tasting awesome. I'm just tasting a normal sort of meat pie. I mean, it's better than a shop-bought one, that's for sure. But the flavour in it, I mean, it's okay, but it's nothing special. Everyone was raving on about it, but I'm not raving yet. Maybe I need a few more bites. Well, that's a bit strange, isn't it? You know, people going on about Foster's Bakery pies, but this plain meat pie, well, let's just say I've had better. It tastes okay, but, I mean, the pastry's all right. The meat inside's okay. Just seems to have a funny sort of taste to it. And it's a bit light on the old flavour and seasoning as well. It's just not really doing it for me. I'll keep going though. I don't know, it's got this funny taste about it that reminds me of plastic, actually. You know when you like microwave something or heat something up, it's got that sort of plasticky sort of taste about it. That's what I'm getting with this. Unfortunately, it's just not doing it for me, this pie. Which is a real shame because, you know, I was really hoping it would. I was hoping it'd be really awesome, but I mean, the meat inside's pretty good. It's not like falling out everywhere, except for that bit that fell in there. But I mean, the gravy's nice and rich and thick, but it's sort of just missing something. Maybe some more seasoning or herbs or spices or just something. It's nice, but it's not great. So, well, it had a 4.7 star rating. That's for the whole bakery. I tell you what, they've got a lot of good stuff in that bakery too. But for this pie, I can only go on what I've got here. And, well, for me, I think this can only get 2.9 Grego stars out of 5. It's not the best pie I've had, but obviously maybe my taste buds are different to everyone else's because, well, I've had plenty of other much better pies than this. And this one, it's okay, but it's not the best. But I'm still trying to find that meat pie because I want to try them all. I'm the Pokemon of pies, mate. I want to try them all. So, well, there you go. There's a Foster's Bakery plain meat pie. It was all right, but I've had much better. But I'm still looking for a really good meat pie, and I know I've found plenty of them. And, well, if you've got somewhere that you think I should try that's got the best meat pies, then let me know in the comments below, and hopefully I can try and get there. As long as you don't say, come to England or Perth or something, mate. I can't get there, all right? But if it's around the southeast Queensland area, well, you never know. Anyway, I'm going to sit here, finish the rest of this off, and, well, look up at Surfers Paradise up there, right in the distance. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat a pie. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger